In this video, we are going to fix 0x80d05001 while trying to do the Windows update. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you can do in order to fix the problem is to run the troubleshooter for Windows update. How we can do that? You need to navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. Once you have opened the settings window, you need to proceed here at the left pane, find for top system. And under the system, you can find here troubleshoot. So please scroll down and locate for that. Next is to click on other troubleshooters. And under the most frequent, go with Windows Update and run the troubleshooter corresponding to it. Once you have run the troubleshooter for Windows Update, it will help you to diagnose the problem. Wait until the procedure would be finished. And once you have done it, try to run the Windows Update again and check if it's working. Okay? However, if not, then you need to proceed to the next solution, and that is to open your settings again. This time, you need to navigate to the time and language. And under the time and language section, you need to navigate to the date and time. And from that, ensure that it is being set into automatically set time zone as well as automatically set time. Okay? Turn the switch on, and then once you're good, close the window and then restart your computer and try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. However, if not, then we need to bound to the last step, and that is to do system file checker, and that is here at the search box. Please type for CMD. Once you have typed it, you need to proceed to the best match, which is a command prompt. And then from that, click on Run as Administrator corresponding to this application. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So this time you need to copy the command that I have provided at the YouTube description. It is sfc /scan now. Click on the enter key in your keyboard and wait until this process would be finished. It might take 5 to 7 minutes or more than that. It will depend on the machine. And once you have completed this procedure, you need to close this window and then restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to run the Windows update again and check if it's working. Okay? Now, if you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. You may also click or turn the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.